All of my coverage from IFA 2018 wouldn't be possible without the support from Huawei. So I was very lucky to get early hands-on with the Mate 20 Lite. As I'm showing you the hands-on video, I want to go through some of the specs. So the size of the device is 258mm by 75mm by 7.6mm in thickness, so it's a really nice thin device. Its display is offering a 6.3 LTPS display, and it has a FHD plus resolution of 1080 by 2340. Its aspect ratio is 19 by 5 by 9. It has 409 pixels per inch, offers 16 million colors. The weight of the device, as it is glass on the back, but it still has a good weight to it, is 172 grams. It offers a single SIM or dual SIM models. The CPU is using Huawei's Kirin 710 processor, which is a 12mm chip, which is an octa-core processor, and you have 4 cores running at 2.2 GHz, and that's the Cortex A7 III, and 4 cores running at 1.7 GHz, and that's the Cortex A5 III. You have 4 GB of RAM on this device, 64 GB of onboard storage, and also you have the option of an SD card up to 256 GB. The battery inside this device is quite large as well, which is really nice to see. 3750 mAh battery. Next, I want to talk about the cameras, and there are a lot on this device. There is 4 in fact. On the rear there is 2 cameras. One is a 20 megapixel camera, which is an f1.8 aperture, and that's an RGB camera. The other is a 2 megapixel, and that's a depth camera, both with AI, and they can recognize 22 different scenes as well as all the other ones that they've known previously. Cameras on the front is a 24 megapixel fusion pixel camera, and that's an f2.0, and also it has a 2 megapixel camera also on the front. So there are 4 cameras on this device. They talked about AI as well, and AI seems to be a key thing here as Huawei moves forward. There is also another great new feature in the camera option, which is called a Q emoji. There's loads of different options. There's a panda, chameleon, a little robot, and all different ones on there, which we'll check out during the review sample. You had AI in the gallery, which sorts images into even more categories. It also offers AI Game Suite as well with GPU Turbo, only for certain games. It has Face Unlock 360 degrees, so you can unlock this any angle you want to. So say you pull it out of your pocket and it may be upside down, it should unlock your device, which I can't wait to test, and I'm glad it's Face Unlock. So here in the UK, this will cost £379 and is available this coming week. There are loads of sensors on board. You have a fingerprint sensor, proximity sensor, ambient light sensor, digital compass, gyroscope, and accelerometer. This device will run Android 8.1 and EMUI 8.2, and of course we'll have a review model in as well to check out in the near future. So I hope you enjoy this early hands-on with the Huawei Mate 20 Lite. I've really enjoyed my time in Berlin, and there'll be loads of footage to come from IFA as well. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.